Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be counting my locks for you all. I get this question all the time, how many locks do I have? And I totally get it because I did the same thing when I was trying to figure out the look I wanted and that I was going for. I really wanted to know people's lock count, and a lot of times people didn't know, but a lot of times people did. And the people that did know, it did really help assist me in choosing the amount of locks I wanted and the look that I wanted. And do keep in mind that, say I have 107 locks and the next person has 107 locks, it's not guaranteed that your locks are going to look the same because everybody has different fullness and thickness to their hair. So just keep that in mind and just be really realistic and have that conversation with your loctician so that you have an accurate idea of what your locks actually will look like. So I'm going to count my locks for you guys and throw in some tips at the end as well. So if you're interested in seeing how many locks I have and the tips that I have for you, keep on watching. Alright, I'm gonna start in the back. Damn, I should just left it up. Oh. One, two, three. I'm already at 100. Eight, 139. I have 140 bucks. So that means I probably started off at maybe like 148, 149 because I for sure combined this one. This was 2 locks. I for sure combined this one early on. Right in this area right here, I combined this one. It was at 2, and I made them pretty early on. And I did this one too. I definitely did one in this corner area because my hair, like, but my ears on both sides are like finer and thinner in that area, so I wanted to make sure that the base on that would be really strong for as my locks grew. So I don't want my hair thinning. And then I combined a few in the back because they're a little bit thinner. You can see this one. You can see the lump. It was 2 and I combined them, so it's thicker right here and tinier. And the thing is, when I combined them, I didn't want any 2-headed dragons. But what she did was, like, we just cut the lock off of one of them and then combed out the top and then just combined it from the top that way so that we would avoid having a 2-headed dragon. So that one, this one, yeah, it's a little fatter up here. I definitely combined this one. There's another one back that I combined right here. Let's see. So kind of same thing with the little lump because it's thicker up here. I'm pretty much done combining. I do have a couple that are a little bit smaller in my head. Well, this one really annoys me. I don't know why it looks like this and it started off like this, the strobe of light. I combined this lock. This was the last lock I combined because it just was really skinny and kind of flimsy. And there's one other one that I combined too, I think. So why did this mean? So yeah, I'll show you guys my parts too. Like I said, I'm really like unsure of my Z part. This is essentially what I suggest. So I'll just get up and close and personal so you guys can see. locks are a couple weeks out from being twisted, maybe like a little less than 2 weeks, but you can still see my parts. I feel like, okay. So my locks are still going through changes. The major change I will say that I noticed in these past few months would be my locks getting fuller and starting to retain length. I'm so excited about it. Like, it came out of nowhere. Like, my locks were, in March, I feel like they were like, I don't know, maybe you guys can tell, like, between this video and the last video, my locks have gotten a little bit longer, but they're getting fuller. They're getting fuller, for sure. And they're retaining length, yeah. So, my locks. Oh, another tip that I will let you guys know is make sure your hair is healthy and you get like a fresh trim if you can before you start your locks. That's exactly what I did. I had some heat damage and I also had some color damage, so I made sure to cut all that off. I got my locks to be healthy already when I started. And my locks are like in layers the way my hair was cut, so I'm really excited to get some more length so that it can be like a more seamless situation instead of like so stacked, but you know, it's all part of the process. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Bye guys!